Hey guys, my name is Guinto from DinLMPitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called the Overnight Profit Sites. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and walkthrough of how the overnight profit sites works. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on December 30th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you'll be able to get access to the overnight profit sites when this goes live. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the overnight profit sites. Now to put this briefly, the overnight profit sites lets you build and host pages, and you can pretty much create your own website name based on the niche that you want to choose, and this software will host it for you. Now also you can create your or you can play around with the header once you get into the program. You can pretty much make your own design, create your content on this program, along with creating pages, banner ads, and you can even opt in, share, and publish your site using this program all in one. And it also comes with a video trainings in case you want to learn more about how to use this, and you can certainly watch provided video tutorial inside of this program. Now when building this site, you can actually integrate your affiliate marketplace such as ClickBank and Digistore24. You can also connect your autoresponder, as you can see here, your GetResponse, MailChimp, and so much more. You can also connect your Facebook account over here, so you can connect them into your website in this program, and that's how you can start promoting digital products and earn commissions with this method. Now I want to talk about the benefits of this program. Now for the new year's, it's worth a try with this product, especially if you're a beginner in affiliate marketing, because this comes with a video training that you can follow along. And due to increasing rise of COVID with the new Omicron variant, there's going to be a lot of people who's going back at home, and this is going to be your chance to start learning how you can build your own website with the overnight profit site, and can integrate the affiliate marketplace over here with ClickBank and start promoting digital products, because you would be surprised, there's a lot of people who are interested in buying digital courses, especially with the new year. There's a lot of people out there who have their own New Year resolutions to learn and apply what they learn with the affiliate marketing. And also that's probably, well, that is why you get the this product if you want to take advantage of this, because you're going to start learning how affiliate marketing works, and you can build your website and integrate ClickBank or Digistore24 over here. You can even send this to your social media for your traffic, and make sure that you post this on public so everyone can see your post, and you pretty much, you're all set to go. And that's how you promote your affiliate products with ClickBank and Digistore24. And then even better yet, you can integrate your email marketing platform, so you can capture their email and do a follow-up on your promotions using the overnight profit site. So basically, once you connect your autoresponders over here, so let's say for example, if someone comes across the offer that you are trying to promote using products in ClickBank or products in Digistore24. Digistore24 is also, they have a lot of digital products that they also have over here, so feel free to check it out. And it's kind of like similar to ClickBank, but I feel like ClickBank is more popular. Digistore24 is pretty much not as popular, but then again, you can definitely take advantage of a lot of the digital courses inside of the Digistore 24. And so that's how it works. You can pretty much go ahead and add your affiliate ID here, and that's how you can go ahead and start promoting all the products depending on the niche that you wanna set up onto creating your website here, and then you're pretty much set to go. So now I'm gonna be walking you through really quick of what is inside of the overnight profit sites. And so as you can see here, once you logged in, I pretty much set this on the screen so you can pretty much see what you can add onto integrations here. But mainly, if you go over here on the left side of the screen here, you see all the icons onto the left. So you go over here, that is the main screen or the welcome video. Right here, just a welcome video that you're gonna be watching from Josiah. And right down here is again the integrations that I showed you earlier. And then now you've seen that for quite some time that I've started talking about this product. Now you go over in the third icon here, this is where you're gonna be getting access to the training videos here. So you click on the training videos here, or if you are the type where you want to read PDF files, so you can also get access to the training over here as well. Then now let's go on to the fourth icon here on the left. This is where you can create your site here. So once you click on this create OPS site, it's going to take you to creating your website here. So this is where you can start adding the name of your website and select the niche that you want to add here, so that you can select the niche that you want to start promoting for the product that you want to get from the ClickBank Marketplace or the Digital Store 24. This is where you can add the subdomain setting here. So again, this program is going to host your website here. So do you want your own domain? That's really up to you. You can click on here, add your domain over here, or if you don't want to, just turn this off, and then you can use the subdomain here for the overnight profit sites, using this to host your website. And then right here, pretty much the same. This is actually where you can start adding the ones that I clicked earlier. Right here, let me show you. So this is just going to show you all the sites that that you created. So if you click on here, it's actually going to take you onto the screen that I have mentioned earlier, and this is pretty much how you can set up everything for your website builder. And here at the bottom is the upload website logo here, so you can hit upload, and then you can select any of the images that you want to add over here. Now right here is select a website, so you can do some this is what I did with the tests right here. So you can go ahead and select the website that you have created. It's going to show up here. Then once it shows up here, then you'll be able to see your website here, and then you click on it, and it's gonna basically give you a test to see if it works. Now down here is the content spinner. So for example, if you have an article that you want to copy, and you pretty much have to paste it over here, so you can spin the article. So that's how it works. And down here, so these are your analytics pages. As you can see here, this is going to show you the number of pages views, your number of unique pages views, and here a number of leads generated views onto this section here. Now these are the vendor bonuses, so don't forget, I'm also offering you my free bonuses as well, as my way of saying thanks for taking the time to watch my review videos. So apart from this, you're also gonna get my free bonuses as well. And here are the available upgrades, where I'm gonna be explaining to you how it works later in this video. So let's say, for example, you like how this program works, then you can go ahead and go into this upgrade icon over here. if you can hover it, as you can see, it's going to show you the URL at the bottom here on the screen, as you can see. So that's how I know that I'm on this. Like for example, if there is no name and I just hover this icon here, and that's how I can tell that this is the upgrade section here. So these are all this is optional, but feel free to check out the upgrades, and also I'm adding them onto my bonus page as well, so you can pretty much read all the informations if you're interested in upgrading your product for the overnight profit sites. Now, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now, if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up overnight profit sites, this is going to go live on December 30th. And that's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right down here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when the countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can pretty much go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses that I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video. This is only going to be one-time price of $17, but this is during the promotional week of this promotional product. Now, I do have a coupon code that I provide to get a discount price for this. So when you click on my exclusive link down below on this video, you will get a coupon code that you can use for checkout. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out all the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. Over here you're gonna find all these upgrades like I mentioned earlier. These are more pretty much detailed information about the upgrades that you can feel free to check out right down below in the description of this video. And scroll down and you're gonna find all this information down here. So as you can see, feel free to check it out. As you can see here, I provided all the descriptions of each upgrades of the product that you're interested in checking out, all right, over here on my bonus page. Okay, and that brings me to the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching my overnight profit sites review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase the overnight profit sites at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on to the next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.